Right. 450 was paid to accounts payable. What happens? Bank.
Decrease.
I said decrease. And then what's the other item?
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable.
Decrease.
Accounts payable decrease. Liability 450. Right. Next one. Owner contributed to the business vehicle worth of 25,000. What are the items affected? Vehicle. Asset. What happens, guys? Increase, decrease? Increase. Good. And then what happens to the owner's equity?
Increase.
Yep. So we can say capital. OE. Increase 25,000. Next one. 1,000 was paid off the loan principal. What do we do? Bank, what happens? Decrease. And loan, liability, decrease as well. 1,000. Next one. Inventory worth of 3,000 was purchased on credit from HP premises. Right? What do we do? What happens to the inventory? Sorry? Increase. Asset. And what's the other item affected? Accounts payable. Yes. And dash right. HP premises. Oh, what is it? HP Enterprise. What are you? Enterprise. Yeah. Whenever you know their name, please write it. Liability. What happens? Increase 3,000. Okay. 8,000 was received from accounts receivable. What are the items affected?
Accounts receivable.
Yeah. What happens to accounts receivable?
Decrease.
Yeah. What's the other item?
Bank.
Bank. Asset increase 800. And accounts receivable. Asset again decrease 800. Right. Okay. Now this question number 5 is a possible VC question. Okay. All right, guys. Now, firstly, right now, how do you approach this question?
Go straight to the requirements.
Sorry?
Straight to the requirements.
No. What do? You
Skim over.
skim through the question, and then what I can see is, if I got this one in my exam, yeah, I can see a balance sheet, right, and some set of transactions, right, and then requirements. So to look at the question, it will take me about 10-15 seconds maximum, right? That's it. That's enough. Then you are going to the requirements. Why do you go to the requirements firstly?
So you know what to.
Yes, then you have an idea what you are going to do. Yes, you know what you are doing. Then that's what we can, then when we read the question, when we read the requirements, we know what we are expected to do, and then we have an idea what we are doing. Right. So firstly, calculate the capital as at 31st March 25. Then we have to calculate the capital. Then part B is a theory question. I'm not really interested. Part C, prepare the table to show the effect of each transaction on the balance sheet. And then D, prepare the classified balance sheet. Okay? Right. Now we'll do it, guys. Right. So capital. Now do we have to calculate the capital here? Yes. We have to calculate the capital. Now we can't do the thing that I did in the first question. Why? I mean question number 2. Why? Because different capital. Because when we are preparing a capital, we have to calculate the capital as at the beginning of the period, right? So then this one, because why? We are going to prepare the balance sheet as of 6th April, and then they are asking us to calculate the capital as of 31st March. So that those are two different things, right? I can calculate the capital in the question itself, right? 11,066,300. Yeah. So I'm getting 66,300. Okay. Right. Then I can write straight away here. You don't have to worry about the working. Right. Part B is a theory question. Explain why computer contributed on 6th April. Right. Must not be valued at 4600 and refer to one assumption and a characteristic. Yep. What do you think, guys? 4600?
Accounting entity assumption and
Yes.
relevance.
Relevance? Okay, so we'll write it. So why? Because 4600.
Is how much he paid for.
Yes, how much he paid for?
4,000 is how much it actually is.
Yes.
And the amount that Pete paid for
Yeah.
pricing the computer is like not relevant to the business.
Yes. Correct. Okay guys, now part C we have to do the table to show the effect of the transaction, and then the next requirement is to prepare the balance sheet. Now because we have to do the balance sheet and also the transaction effects, right? You know what I would do is I'll do something smart, so then as we go we can change the value of the balance sheet. Okay, shall we do it? Right. Firstly, paid 3,000 to accounts payable. What happens, guys? The date is April 1st, right? So, what happens to bank? Yes, asset decrease. How much is it? 3,000. And what's the other one? Accounts payable. Right? Liability decrease 3,000. Right. Now what I would do is I go to the balance sheet, right? I go to the balance sheet and then bank I would put minus 3,000. Accounts payable also minus 3,000. Alright. Next one. Borrowed 28,000 cash from NAB, which was used to purchase another van. The loan needs to be repaid in monthly installment of 1,000, commencing in May 25. Okay,
Van-
what do we do?
Van increases by 28,000.
What happened to bank? No impact on the bank?
Because like it just cancels out.
Cancel out, yes, that's correct. What is it? We borrowed money. That means we get the money, 28,000 to the bank, and also the next moment we are paying it. So that effectively zero impact. Yeah, cancels out. It sets off. Right? Those two transactions set off the bank. Nothing. Is it okay?
There's going to be loan and conditions.
Yeah. Then what will happen? So when we got the loan, when we got the money, our loan increases. Yes, right. And on the other hand, from the money we purchase the van, so then van increases. Yes, right. Then shall I do it here straight away, guys? In the balance sheet, I'll put delivery van. How much? Plus 25,000. No, how much? 28,000. Yes, 28, and also loan after what happens? 28,000. But there's a problem. What's the problem?
Current loan.
Current, non-current. Then how much is the current portion?
11,000.
11,000? Okay, interesting. Non-current? 17. Okay. Okay, now it is commencing in May. Yes?
So then you take $1,000
$1,000.
off
Yeah, $1,000. Why did we take $1,000 off?
because it's 11 months.
11 months. Yes. Why? Because we are starting. So what we are considering, what is our rule, guys? For the next 12 months. Now when are we now? April. Yes. Which month? April 6th. Very good. You have to be very careful, very specific with the dates in accounting. April 6th. Then the next basically, our next 12 months will be completed when? April 5th. Very good. And we are paying commencing in May.
Wait.
Yeah, commencing in May. And how many? Still 11, Aston?
Wait, so you take 5 days? No way.
Yes. Why? It's 12 months. When is the 12 months completed? April 6th? Yes. Otherwise?
No.
Okay, tell me.
That's evil.
What evil? April 6th, what is it? 25.
You divide 12,000 by...
No, you divide
Hold on. April 6th, 25th. Right? 2025. This one, April 5th, 2026. Now, what is the evil thing?
This So you have monthly, 1 month.
Sorry, how many months?
So it's 12 months minus 25 days.
I don't know. You have to tell me.
Wait, so if it begins at May the 1st, then you just take
Yeah.
5 days.
And also that's interesting. Why? They don't say the date.
Yeah,
Yes? Then what date can we guess?
May the 1st.
Yeah, first or maybe like when did it, yeah, May 1st or 2nd, whichever.
So this is how much is current liability now?
How much? 11,000, how much? 821, no.
Wait, 1,000.
No, because what I did is, we have to do in a year, yeah? So that's 12,000 in a year. Divide that by 365, so how much you have to pay every day. And then times that by 25, and then add on how much you pay in 11 months.
Wait, what did you get?
Huh? 11,821.92.
No, it's not. Is it 11,167?
Mm.
Wait, 821. Is that what you got? 800.
11,000.
Wait, it's only 5 days. How's it gonna be 800? Because in
Yeah,
that month-
any other answers?
Wait, you're saying it begins at May the 1st?
Yeah, we can say May 1st. Because why? They borrowed the money 2nd, or otherwise we can say May 2nd. Either way.
3 days. 5 days. Monthly installments. Wait, monthly installments. Think about it. You pay 1,000. You're not splitting it up.
Yeah, I guess it has to be 11,000 then.
Wait, is it still? I think it's still.
Sorry?
This is 12,000 because you have to pay the April 1st of all.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
still- I think
See,
it's
that's
still-
12,000.
Still 12 months? It's still 12,000?
12,000.
Yeah, it's 12,000.
12,000.
It's got to be 12,000.
Wait,
This is
April.
raised.
No, wait.
This is raised, mate.
Wait,
Wait,
paying-
so you're
paying on
starting-
May 1st.
you're starting-
August 1st, September, October.
You're starting May,
Yes.
and then you have to pay April's.
Yeah.
So that's 12.
12
Well,
months?
no, that's 11. How's it? Wait.
Yeah, it's 12.
12
May,
months.
June, July, August, September.
January, February, March.
January, February,
Hold on, what?
You have to pay April's too.
May, June,
Yeah.
July,
Yeah, so
April,
that's-
So it's still 12.
November, December,
12.
January, February, March, April.
So I thought it was like smart when I plugged it, but then you gotta reverse it.
Yeah, then concluded.
Yeah.
Yeah. 12,000? Or 11,000?
12,000.
Oh, that decimal amount. 12,000.
You're paying the full thing on April.
April 1st?
Pay that $1,000 on April the 1st.
Hmm.
Yeah. Right?
I don't know.
No, you would, because you're paying monthly.
No, it would be 11.
11.
Yeah.
Yeah, why is it 11?
Because you're recording it based on April, so it's April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, all the way to March, right?
Yeah.
And even though the
You went all the way to March or
So-
May?
no, because if you start, because we're doing it for April, right? And then the next 12 months will get you next April, right? So even though,
No, you do with April as well.
but the payments start in May, and it's being recorded in April.
That's still 12, right? You got 12.
No, because you pay the amount in April at the
You
start
start
of April.
paying in May.
Yeah.
You start paying in May, but you pay that next year on April 1st.
But think about it. When do you make the April payment? You make it
In April.
April the 1st, which is before when this balance sheet is recorded. Wait, right? Wait, this is 13. No.
Oh, okay. Now concluded? 12. Alright. Aston?
12.
Hold on. Wait, 1 second. What is this?
No, that's 12.
11. Interesting.
Is it?
It's not a decimal.
No. Let's do it again. Do the counting again, okay? May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March,
April.
April. Let's go. It's 12. It's 12.
12? Sure?
Just say 11,500 to be in between them though.
Because it starts in it.
No, it's gonna be 12,000. It's gonna be 3,000.
What is it, like 26?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then, what do we have to do, guys? Okay. The point is, right? Whatever the answer is, the point is this. So you have to figure out the timing. Yes. Now we are counting from April 6 to, right? April 6 to April 5th, 26. Right? What is the first payment? May 1st. Right? 1st of May. Then May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Yes? April when? April 1st or 2nd.
Bro, wait. Nah, bro, wait. It's balance sheet is at 31st of March. How are you including April's
At
payment?
6 April.
The balance sheet's at 6th of April.
Balance sheet is of 6th
Yeah,
of
no,
April.
this guy.
My bad.
Yeah, then how many payments are there?
I retract my statement.
12. Yes, Christian? 12 payments are there, yes? Make sense?
Yeah.
1st of May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So then there are still 12. Right, we chose April 2nd, yes? We don't have to repeat the month, we can just put the date. Yeah, this one will first write current liability 12 and the other one is 16. Right, next one guys, received 2400 from accounts receivable. What happens?
Income receivable decreases, cash bank increases.
Yep, bank increases. Accounts receivable asset decrease 2400. Okay, then what do we do in the balance sheet? I would add 2400 to bank, accounts receivable minus 2400. Next one. Pete withdrew 1500 worth of paint for his own purposes. What happens? I'll record it here. First of all, inventory minus 1500 and then drawings. Drawings plus 1500. Right, then I would do it here. Inventory, asset, decrease 1500. Drawings. How do we do drawings, guys? Minus OE. This one, drawings, what happens? Increase 1500. Next one. Paid the wages owing, what happens?
Wages owing decreases.
Yep.
Cash bank.
Yeah. Bank asset decrease 1500. Now remember, wages owing was current liability, so liability decrease 1500. So what I can do is, I'm going to the bank, put minus 1500, wages owing. Sorry, not 1500, my bad, it's 2000. Wages owing was 2000, 1500 was in the previous question, yes? 2000. So I can cross this one out, right? This one is 2000. Right, next one, guys. Pete contributed to the business his personal computer, had paid for 600, but on this date its value 4,000. What happens? 4,000. We can write number 6. What is it? Computer. What happened to the computers? Increase, decrease. Increase. 4,000. And then what's the other item? Capital. Owner's equity. Increase, decrease. Increase. Then what do I do? Computers. Computers 4,000. And then owner's equity capital. For this one we have to add 4,000 here. Okay? Right? Okay, then shall I start, guys? Okay, anybody wants to have a look at this one? Can complete? Yeah, I just did in 2 colors so that you can easily follow it, but you don't have to do it in the exam, okay? Okay, right. Done? Then I'm going to start the balance sheet. Okay? Right. Right. Then I'm starting with probably accounts receivable. What happens? Accounts receivable. I'll write in the second. Hold on. Now I'll start with the bank. I'm not sure if it is a negative. It's an overdraft, yes. So becomes negative. Right, plus 100. Yeah, is it 40?
It should be 300.
Hold on.
It should be 300.
5,000. Yeah, 300 bank overdraft. Yes. Bank overdraft 300 is what I'm getting. Check the calculation. Then accounts receivable, how much? I'm getting 5,600. Right? Next one. Delivery van 53,000. Current, non-current asset.
Is it no car asset?
What's their premises?
Oh no, fixtures and fittings.
Yeah, 53,000. Here. Right. Next one. Fixtures and fittings 18,000. Okay. Now inventory. How much is inventory? 22,500. Right. Then one more, computers. How much computers? 4,000. That's it, guys. I can add them together. Non-current asset, I'm getting 5,000. And then 75,000. Non-current assets 28,100. So the total assets 3 103, 100. 103,100 is total assets. Now I'm going to the equity section. Accounts payable 6,000. Next one is wages owing nothing. Then loan. Yes, loan. Did we borrow it somewhere? NEB. Yes.
No. Wait, it is.
$12,000.
I think that's it for liabilities.
Come again.
I think that's it for current liabilities.
Yes, that's it for current liabilities. Then we have non-current liability. How much?
16,000.
16,000. And then we have capital 66,300. That's what I remember. Yeah, 66,300. After that, we are having plus sign capital contribution. How much? 4,000. And then minus sign drawings. How much was drawings, guys? 1,500. I don't put brackets for the 1,500. Okay. Then I'm getting 2,500, 68,800. Yeah. Then I'm adding. I haven't added the current liabilities. 300, 28. Sorry, 18,300. Then 0, 0, 1, 15, 20. Hold on. 14, 15, yeah, 3. 103, 100. Total liquidities. Yep. Yeah, we have 2 more questions to do. Last question is a VC question. Yes. See, now we are doing VC questions. Okay.
8 marks.
Yeah, 8 marks. No, 16, 14. Okay, I haven't given you the year.
The what?
I haven't given you the year though,
Oh.
For what?
for the week.
Oh, what year is it?
Last week, was that last week?
No, no.
It's this year's.
Yeah,
Oh, it's this year's.
can be. Yeah, I won't tell you the year, and you can find the solution.
This year's
Not this year. Okay. All right. However, shall we do question 6 first? Yep. Okay. You want to try?
for this question, right? It says loan to ANZ is repay $6,000 per annum.
Yeah.
So is that paid monthly?
It's paid annually.
So like one portion of $6,000 is paid annually.
Annually.
So it's a one-time payment.
One time, yes. 1 month. Once a year.
Wait,
But when is that 6,000 paid?
wait, when is
Yes.
it paid?
Yes. When it is paid, not given. Yes. That's a good question, isn't it? Not given. Hey, what do you do? What would you do?
You'd still put 6,000 though, but. No, you still put 6,000. But. What about the 3,000 though? Just subtract that from.
Currently, it's considered.
Yeah, it's fine, so it'd be 3,000.
What if it's already paid off?
Hmm?
Hold on, no. No.
Yes, what if it is already paid off? Yeah?
That's not right. That's not right.
Why? Yeah, that can be.
No, it's not.
Okay. What did you do at school now? Are you doing exams? Have you started 3-4? No.
Before we start next week.
No, it's a week after.
Oh, no, commencement.
Is this
It's during commencement.
You already had it?
Yeah, today.
What did you
We
do?
did
Oh yeah, things like
ledgers. and
Ledgers, you serve ledgers.
The T thingy.
T-ledger account.
Yeah,
we are
the
starting
credit
it.
debit and double entry.
Yeah, we are starting it on Sunday. What do you do Sunday?
Starting
Next week. Also guys, Sunday I have to make an announcement. Sunday we are starting at 4.
4.
You can come, yeah?
Oh wait, when are we switching to permanently on
Yeah,
Sunday?
this
So this is
Sunday.
our last week lesson on Tuesday. So from next week onwards, this class this Sunday, right?
Yeah, Sunday at 4. 4 to 7.
4 to 7 this week.
what time was it before?
It was 5. You can come, yeah? I'll send you an text.
When does 1-2 accounting class start?
1-2 starts this Saturday.
Wait, you put it on Saturday?
Because some people can't come. There are some students from where is it? Melbourne High and what is the girls' school? Mac Robertson, yeah. So there are some students, so they can't come on weekdays on time. Yeah, if you have any friends who want to do 1-2, we are starting. Please give me my contact. Give them my contact. We are starting on Saturday. You guys have any friends starting 1-2? Yeah, let them know, please.
Right, are you gonna announce it in rugby class?
Yeah, already announced. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get it? There was a message a couple of weeks ago. No?
To me?
No, I mean to everyone.
No.
No, I didn't get it.
GST?
Come again?
Do you remove GST?
No. I mean, when you value an asset, unless it is accounts receivable or payable, we don't. We don't include in the item. But if it is accounts receivable and payable, we will add with the GST. If it is hard, don't worry. I'll help you.
Wait, this one, number 2, right? When it contribute, would you say cash at bank increases by 5,000, or would you say bank overdraft decreases by 5,000, which becomes cash at bank?
Yes, that's a good point. What do you think?
You can't just say cash at bank.
Yeah.
You have a,
Yeah, you can say bank increase. That's a good question, yes. Right. You guys are done, shall we do?
Wait, you didn't increase your seal?
No, GST will be years.
Increase your seal, enhance your seal. Is it paid off? You get prepaid expense. Wait, Alison.
Yeah?
We finished the first part.
Why, which one do you want?
You get prepaid expense.
Prepaid expense, yeah, that's, isn't that prepaid expense rent? Prepaid rent, which is, kind of like asset,
Yeah.
increases by 6,000. Was it?
This is 1,000.
Yeah,
1,020.
1,320.
No,
Yeah,
this is
1,320.
1,020.
It's plus GST, not including GST.
Your cash bank increase is 1,320. And GST will be paid for.
Okay, guys. I just started. I just want to let you know one thing. You need more time, or is it enough? More time? I'll give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah.
Wait, but it says 1,320 plus GST.
Yeah, if you guys anybody is doing balance sheet, I'll give you a hint. Now see, this is a bank overdraft, guys, right? Treat it as minus 2,500 and do the rest. You know what I mean? That means if you received, now see if the first transaction was a payment, then you can put minus 2,000. Okay? Otherwise it will be a confusion. Done?
Where's the bot? No, I just finished the match. Bounces.
Expenses?
Yeah, bounces.
Okay, guys, let's start. Right. Now there's a problem here because the first one, we paid money Is it bank overdraft or bank? You can just take it as bank. Right? Bank. Right? Take it as bank. Bank decreases. Right? Is it clear? Right. Bank decreases. And then next one, Sam contributed 5,000 of his own. No, hold on, sorry. The other one is, I had to record it in the balance sheet. Accounts payable decreased 2,000. Bank overdraft, not bank overdraft really, just treat it as bank. Bank decreases. Okay? Next one. Yeah. Yeah. Take it as bank. For now, okay? Right. Then
Wait, what?
number 2. Yeah. Please sit there. Yeah, bank, the first one.
Oh.
Look at this one. Sam contributed 5,000 of his own money to the business. Because why? If you are going to treat it like that, it will be a confusion when it is converted. Now see this one, 5,000. It will be converted to a bank positive.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, that's the problem. That's why you shouldn't take it as overdraft. Take it as just bank.
All time.
Yeah. When you write it as also bank, then I saw that you had written bank overdraft increase. Yeah, it will be like an issue. Okay, just treat it as bank. That's it. Okay, then October 2nd, Sam contributed. So bank asset increase 5,000 and owner's equity or capital OE increase 5,000. Number 3, pay 3,000 of the loan principal. Third one. So what happens? Bank loan decrease 3,000 and loan decrease 3,000. Sorry, I didn't record it in this one. I'll put plus 5,000.
You weren't done liability.
Come again. Sorry. That's an asset. Sorry. Decrease 3,000 loan.
How many slots? Did you use all 3?
Yeah, 4. I used 4.
Yeah, 4. Wait, where did you write 4 from?
I just wrote it next to current assets.
Ah,
Loan how much? 3,000. Yes. Yep. Loan 3,000. And then bank also minus 3,000. Okay. Right. Purchase inventory on credit for 10,000 plus GST. Inventory. So what happens, guys? Inventory. How much? Asset increase 4,000. How much? 10,000. Sorry. And then what happens to GST? GST at this point we'll call it as GST clearing liability. What happens? Decrease 1,000. Then the other one is accounts payable, because we are purchasing on credit. Liability.
What's GST clear?
GST clearing is GST clearing is. Did you learn GST in Unit 1-2?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then usually, I think in Unit 1-2, I don't know how you learn it because different schools do differently.
they told us either payable or liability.
Yes, GST liability is the correct term, right? Or you can say GST payable, right? So GST liability in Unit 3-4 we call clearing. Okay, in 3-4 we learn it as GST clearing.
But on that note, yeah, I was on ChatGPT and it said like the business owns like a GST clearing account with the ATO or something.
Yeah.
What is that account?
Yeah, so account in the sense like every time, you know, when we have a account, basically record. Okay guys, remember accounts payable liability increased by 11,000. Okay, now you can ask me if the accounting equation balances. Yes, right, it is. Our asset increased by 10,000, overall liabilities increased by 10,000. Why? One liability increased, the other one decreased. Okay. Number 5, Sam took a personal. Before that, we'll do the thing here. Right? I'll write GST clearing somewhere here. GST clearing is, we said decrease, right? Then I'll put minus 1,000. And then accounts payable, what happened guys? Accounts payable plus 11,000 and inventory plus 10,000. Okay. Next one. Sam took home personal use a fridge worth of 2,500. Then what happens? Fridges minus 2,500 and drawings. We'll have drawings plus 2,500. So we'll write here fridges an asset increase $2,500 and drawings decrease. Decrease drawings, what happens? Negative owner's equity increase. Negative owner's equity is that is increasing. Okay. Right. Last one is paid 1320 in rent in advance for the next 6 months plus GST. Actually, this should be not plus GST, guys. This should be including GST.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yep, including. Okay. Including GST. Including GST. Okay, not plus GST. That's a typo. Including. Right. Then number 6, what happens? Prepaid rent. So what happens to the bank, guys? No, we'll do bank later. Prepaid rent. What is it? Current asset. We learn it today. Asset increase. How much? 1,200. How did we get 1,200? We remove the GST. Okay, everyone is okay with that? Then GST clearing. What happens? The liability decrease. How much? 120. And then bank asset. What happens? Decrease. How much? 1320.
In the balance sheet, shouldn't there be a GST receivable since there's
Yes. Yeah, that I'm going to tell
We
you.
need 5 boxes.
Wait, what?
Because there's no GST payable already, so all the GST payable becomes GST receivable. Because
Yeah.
it's been decreasing.
5 boxes. Look at
Yeah, because you got prepaid expense, prepaid rent, cash at bank, accounts receivable, inventory, and then GST
Cash
receivable.
bank is
Didn't we get 5,000 in the bank though?
what?
We got 5,000.
You lost no here.
Yeah, prepaid rent is going to be a current asset. 1,200, and then GST clearing another 120 minus, and then what is the other one? Bank. Yes, bank will be minus 1320.
Isn't
Yeah, but I have to do it. Hold on.
It doesn't matter.
Oh wait.
Yeah. I think, guys, yeah, we are running late. We'll stop with this. We'll do the rest next time.
I think the rest include like liquidity and then
Come again?
it says financial. In the VCAR question it says.
Oh yeah, it's overdraft of 800.
You also need to know financial indicators and you also need to know income statement.
Put up.
For which one?
What was your overdraft?
Last question. 3820.
What was your overdraft amount?
You need to know the income statement.
What was your overdraft amount?
Yes.
3820.
3820.
But
I got 800.
Liquidity.
yeah. Yeah, that you don't need to. That you don't need.
Is that homework?
Sorry?
Is that homework?
Yeah, you can try it at home. Okay, guys, then that will finish for today.